morning to all students of class first year RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you short story. Chapter is second of short story. The name of the short story is After 20 Years, written by O. Henry. In this short story, the story about two friends has been described. The name of two friends were Bob and Jimmy Wells, who were born in New York, America, and they were looked after, nourished like the two real brothers in New York. They were very close friends, and before 20 years they took dinner in a restaurant of New York. The name of the restaurant was Big Joe Brady's Restaurant. They took dinner there at 10 o'clock in the night, and the next morning, two of them had to apart from each other. Bob was money-minded. He wanted to be more richer and richer. So he had to leave New York in the morning for the West countries, where he had to make his fortune by earning more and more money. On the other hand, the other friend's name was Jimmy Wells. He was 20-year old and Bob was only 18-year old. Jimmy Wells was 20-year old. But Jimmy Wells was honest, great patriot, lover of his country, duteous, laborious, and honest. That's why he did not like to go away from his country. He wanted to serve his country at any cost. Whether salary may be low, it was not important for him. So he remained in New York and was selected as a constable or policeman. One night, the second scene starts of the dark night. It was very dark night and the cloudy night. It was drizzling. Drizzling means starting to rain very lightly. Drops were dropping from the sky. That is called drizzling. So it was drizzling and gust of wind was strong. Means fast wind was blowing and light raining was also there. That's why, and the month was January month. It was bitterly cold. It was icy cold. So all the people had gone to their houses and one or two were visible, but they were silently going to their houses. And he saw at that time, at 10 o'clock in the night, he saw that a man was standing at the middle block and he was about to lit his cigar. At the meantime, the police constable reached there. He asked him why he had arrived there, what was his mission. The man told that he had to meet his friend at that place. He wanted to dine there with his friends, to take dinner there with his friends in the night, but there was a hardware showroom in place of the Big Joe Brady's Restaurant. There was no Big Joe Brady's Restaurant at this time because after 20 years there was great change. The fashionable young man told the policeman that he had gone to earn more and more money, and when he was talking, there was a boasting in his voice. He was boasting. He was in self-pride because he had earned a lot of money, and there was the reflection of the superiority to Jimmy Wells. He said that he had estimated that Jimmy would not have earned half amount of money as he had earned from the foreign countries. At that time, he struck the matchstick to light the cigar. The police constable saw the face. The face of that man was square-jawed, and there was white little scar near the right eyebrow. The policeman, seeing it, he went away from there at once and wished him good night, and also hoped that his friend would come. The man went there to meet his friend, was standing at the middle of the class, said that he would hope his friend more half an hour, and perhaps he believed that at any cost his friend would arrive there if he is alive in this world, whatever conditions may be. He said that both of the friends had promised that they would meet at the same place, at the same time, and at the same date after 20 years, whatever condition may be, and however miles distant they might have to reach there, but they would reach there. It was promised by the both of the friends. So he hoped that, because Jimmy Well was his very fast friend, very close friend, and believable friend, credible friend, that's why he hoped that he would come. He must come there anyhow. So he promised that about half an hour he would wait for his friend, and hoping that he would come. That's all. Today I am leaving the story till here, and tomorrow I will explain you. Question answers I am sending you through WhatsApp. You may note down the question answers, write down in the fair copy, and in the homework copy you have to write and learn the homework also, and that is given here. Prose lesson 2 question answers to write and learn, and you have to write in the homework copy. Verb forms to learn only. So now right to start just now, I am sending the question answers of this story through WhatsApp. Therefore, you should take out your pen, open your copy, and start to write just now. Thank you very much.